How to use Zedge on PC via web version. First of all, open your preferred web browser on your PC and go to the official Zedge website by typing www.zedge.net in the address bar. Once the site loads, click on Use in your web browser to continue. Now you can start browsing wallpapers, ringtones, and other content directly without needing to install anything. Use the search bar at the top to find specific wallpapers or audio clips. You can also explore various categories and collections for easier browsing. If you want to download or save any items, it's a good idea to sign in or create a Zedge account. This allows you to keep track of your favorites and access them later. To download the wallpaper, simply click on the image and then hit the download button. You will need to watch a 15-second ad before the file is saved to your PC. The same process applies for ringtones and notification sounds. Just select the audio you like, watch the short ad, and the file will be available for download. The web version of Zedge is a great way to explore content from your desktop, organize your downloads, and even upload your own creations if you are a registered creator. Now you know how to use Zedge on PC via the web version. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.